Welcome back to my channel. I'm Chinongto, a life coach and an author. Welcome to the new self-improvement and self-growth series. I've just started a new series of videos on having an optimal life. You're always welcome to visit the past video later. Now, in today's video, I'm going to share with you identify where your life issues are. Identify where your life issues are. As I mentioned, your chances of living an optimal life depend on how you manage the different aspects of your life. In this regard, it is important that you identify the areas of your life that have issues. By determining your areas of concern, it will be easier for you to look for possible solutions to such issues. These areas may include, number one, social relationship. Life is best enjoyed together with those who are dearest to you, your family members, your friends, your partner. However, not having a good relationship with these people will have a great impact on the quality of your life. Improving your relationship with your loved ones is not as difficult as it seems. As the famous quotation from Rick Warren, nothing destroys happiness faster than conflict in relationships. Nothing destroys happiness faster than conflict in relationships. Most of the time, respect, honesty, trust, time, care, and support are what you need to become socially acceptable regardless of who you are. Number two, health condition. The best joy in life can be experienced by being healthy and doing all the things that you love to do with the people you love in a perfect environment. Your general health will play a significant role in all your plans and the decisions that you have to make in your life. Poor physical health will be a hindrance in your plans to participate in various physical activities and even in performing your day-to-day routine. Number three, emotional problems. Like social relationship, different negative emotions and perception affect your goal of living an optimal life in more ways than one. These types of emotions include the feeling of embarrassment, guilt, and inadequacy, as well as stress and sadness. Number four, career. Having a regular job and earning enough money to pay for your needs and luxuries are not enough to experience optimal living. You should love what you are doing. If your job is just causing you stress, yet you choose to stick to it because it pays better, then you will not completely experience the joy that life has to offer. Experts advise that those who are unhappy with their current job should pursue something that they are passionate about. Having a job that is related to your interests allows you to pursue your real passion. When we discussed about having an optimal life, someone came to my mind. He is none other than Dr. Steve G. Jones. Dr. Steve is a clinical hypnotherapist. He has created numerous recording and publication about hypnosis, self-awareness, and the law of attraction. I'm one of his fans. I enjoy and benefited from his many programs for many years. Today, Steve has created another unique program called Dream Life Mastery. This program is designed to bring your brain to a higher frequencies. It is a plug and play. You need not do any homework with this. You need not research. You need not to find out what different frequencies do or how to use them properly. You just play them at night or when you are resting, and it will slowly adapt and tweak your brain for a higher vibration you want. It is like vitamin C. You listen to it and things get better. But while vitamin C will prevent you from getting colds and will improve your immune system. What Steve has for you will help you to manifest money, love, power, or anything else that is of importance to you. I have provided a link in my description section. Do check it out. Let us hop on to the fast track in having an optimal life. Drop me a line in the comment section. Share with me on any thoughts on having an optimal life. We are very keen to learn from you. I hope that you like my sharing today. If you enjoyed the video, I would like to invite you to like this video or even consider to subscribe to my channel. That's all for today. I will see you real soon in the next video. Bye bye.